One of the great features of Mylio photos are AI SmartTags. These use AI object recognition to find specific objects and other physical characteristics of your photos. AI SmartTags on their own are not stored in your metadata, but you can promote them to keywords if you want those to be saved in your XMP files. Let's go ahead and select this photo of zebras and take a look at the metadata. I'm going to open up the info panel on the right and scroll down. You can see this image has no keywords listed, but it does have smart tags for animal, zebra, and exposure. I like the animal and zebra smart tags, and I want to promote those to actual keywords. So all I need to do is click on the check mark next to zebra and next to animal, and you can see those have been added now as keywords. By promoting smart tags to keywords, other applications will now be able to see this important metadata. If I were to go look at my XMP file and see the metadata, these will now be saved and be readable by other applications, which is very helpful. If you encounter a smart tag that doesn't fit, you can also tell Mylio Photos to disregard that tag. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here. It has mistakenly recognized this as a triceratops. I'm pretty sure that those are extinct and that's not what you're going to see out in the wild, so I'm going to go ahead and click the X to go ahead and take that off the list, and that smart tag will no longer be applied to this image. I can then go ahead and say, yes, that's an animal, and that's been promoted now to an actual keyword. So that's it. Working with smart tags and keywords are a great way to help you find things and tag different properties of your images.